So the Pop Kid coming to y'all direct again with a demo out here in Johnstown, PA. Big car show. They had a little stereo competition. And I got my mans in here. What's your name?
J Pounds.
J Pounds. He's from my old hood of Homewood, but he lives out here now, and I live in New Ken now. Yeah. I know some of his fans. But these guys on the demo, they want their neck rearranged a little bit. And I'm about to do that without further to pork and bean eating, dude.
Let's get it.
Cooler than Coolio, stay in that studio. Flyer than Peter Pan when I'm pushing that Rufio. It's that Stone Mountain CEO. Wishing that you was me. Girls on a tour bus, keep that ratio 2 to 3. We so sophisticated, shout out to those who hate it. Killer rapper trying to spit at me, that's suicide. Gambino forever and royalty is do or die. I'ma wait till the beat go in. I'ma wait till the beat go in.
What's the verdict, bro? What's the verdict? Tell the people what you feel.
Man, I feel like I got a free massage, man. Got my back beat up, my ears beat up. I should have had on a football helmet and shoulder pads. That shit was crazy.
I was just being moderate, bro. I'm still breaking these in, so I'm still being moderate.
Yo, that there?
Still moderate,
If
bro.
that's moderate.
But look, you was a soldier, you didn't tap out.
I ain't tap out. I put my hands up like on a roller coaster.
Let me see if I can get you to tap. Let me see if I can get your ass to tap out. Hold on.
Tap out?
I'm gonna play another track. See if this will get you. But I know I'm tearing your ass up.
Woo, I'm working hard for this.
Hey people, when when you put people in a hot seat and they know they're on camera, they're gonna soldier up. They're gonna soldier up because they don't want to get embarrassed on camera. You know what I mean? But my man's here.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, he got me.
I want people to enjoy the music more than tapping them out. I want you to enjoy what's going on. You know what I mean?
I'm enjoying these festivities.
That's never full tilt. That's never full tilt, bro.
He got a lot of room to play.
I have about 3 more notches.
At least.
You know what I mean?
That was crazy.
Oh, I know, right?
You want something in my
I know, man. Dude, trust me, this man's been around for a long time. Trust me.
Yeah, I got 680.
He cut people's hair and shit, man. He a barber.
Yeah, that's what I do for a living. But hey, man, you
pleasure
was a
meeting
soldier
you,
up
man.
there, bro.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
It was a pleasure.
He's like, how do I get out?
Hell yeah.